Are you posting on Instagram but not seeing results? You might be making one of these 5 mistakes that are costing you sales and followers. In this video, I'll reveal the top 5 mistakes businesses make on Instagram and how to fix them. Mistake 1. Treating Instagram like a catalog. Only posting product pics, mix in behind the scenes and customer stories. Mistake 2. Ignoring Reels. If you're still posting static photos, you're missing out. Use Reels to reach new audiences. Mistake 3. No clear call to action. Posts should guide people to follow or buy. Add CTAs like DM us for details. Mistake 4. Inconsistent posting. Posting a lot one week and nothing the next? Stick to a simple content calendar. Mistake 5. Not engaging with followers. Don't just post and ghost. Reply to comments and interact with your audience. So, avoid these 5 mistakes. Post valuable content. Use Reels. Add CTAs. Stay consistent and engage with your followers. Want me to audit your Instagram strategy? Comment audit below for a chance at a free review.